We are on our way to Ham Lợn. It's a little mountainous region, just a little bit north of Hanoi. I got Corey up in front. Behind me we got Claire and Damien. And Anne is on her way to Ham Lợn to go and get things set up early. Yeah, 30 odd k's to go. Lovely shaded road. We are 26 kilometers in. As you can see, if you look behind me, in front of me, quite heavily kitted today. Feel like I got an extra 10 kilos, maybe a bit more on the bike. It's tough, but it's good. You can see the mountains. That's where we're heading. Plane going over above. More of us here. Yeah. It's beautiful. Beautiful day. That's why we get away. Get out of the city. Okay, it's getting nice and green. It's looking really good. We're up in the mountains. I would have recorded some of the footage of us climbing these hills, but honestly, the up hills are quite tough. The down hills are a little bit scary. So, yeah. We're on a bit of flat land now, a little bit up and down. Look at this. Beautiful. Man, that's why we cycle. So peaceful. Yeah. Ah, check the buffalo. It looks like a rock. It's like chilling there. I think this is like one of the nicest rides out of Hanoi. Yeah, for sure. I suppose it probably also depends on who you know.